Did she cheat, guys?
Hey Crewnies, welcome back to the KJAR Crew. Today we're doing the slime mystery challenge.
Close.
Wheel challenge.
Close.
Slime mystery wheel challenge.
She got it. So today's challenge is easy enough. We have a wheel. We are just going to take turns spinning it and do whatever it lands on.
And whoever gets the best slime
Gets to
dump the slime
on Dad.
And is the winner of a cash prize. Let's get
Started.
Okay, so Kaysen's first, then we'll just go from oldest to youngest. Tylen second, Riley third, Maylee fourth.
Play! Green glow in the dark blue. Got that here. Metallic blue.
What is metallic?
No idea.
That's good, that's good.
Riley's turn.
Metallic activator. Activator.
What? That's good.
That's enough. Crunchy activator. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Is this just foam? That's good. Fuzzy things stay in the
Metallic.
Glue. More
No.
glue.
Tylen had.
Oh, I got glow in the dark metallic slime. Boom.
Don't eat it.
Oh,
Glitter.
Tylen's favorite. Tylen loves glitter. He plays with it every night.
Really? He's now the best one. Oh, that's
Metallic glue.
Metallic glue. Oh. Oh.
I don't care.
Metallic. Just get
There's
that. Get
still
the rest
some
of
in
it. Yeah. Get the rest.
I already have slime.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video.
Glitter.
Ooh, glitter. I think black would look pretty cool with that actually.
Going off what you say, because you picked the winner.
Take care.
That looks pretty good so far.
Dad, my turn.
Oh yeah.
Kaysen's in the lead, I'm thinking.
Mine's so beautiful.
Riley is not.
What is that?
Blue, glow in the dark blue.
Okay, that's good.
Ladies, Tylen's single. Did you see how strong he was right there?
Look, yeah, mine's the best one by far. Is it slime now? How do I know if it's slime?
Crunchy activator. My slime's just gonna be activator. Yeah, it's so close to fluffy stick. Green glow in the dark blue.
I think that's good.
That's enough.
Pink glow in the dark glue.
That's definitely gonna ruin the slime. Of poop. I know. Now it just looks like a unicorn pooped in his bowl.
The delicious unicorn.
Perfect.
Pink glow in the dark blue. That's good. Come on. Oh my.
Color changing blue.
Goes to blue to purple. That's good. Now let's go next to get this. This is gonna be your favorite slime. Which one looks the least grossest to dump on your head?
Maybe that's how I determine the winner. The one I don't want on my head.
Oh, so close.
More glue for Kaysen. He's not getting that activator. His isn't even gonna turn into glue, or isn't to, what are we doing? What is this? Slime.
That's. Mine looks like a.
We're now gonna take a brief intermission while I get this fly.
Don't move.
Okay, we're back. I didn't get him.
What?
Regular
activator.
activator.
Oh.
That's perfect.
That kind of sprayed all over me.
You're not-
I've been activated.
Telling you care about this. Look at that. Looks like guts. Clear glue!
What'd you do?
I don't know. Clear glue is like the worst.
Oh, that's actually looking like.
Slime.
It'll get better.
Clear glue! Wait, Dad, watch this. It's so bouncy. And sticky, feel it. Don't touch me.
Alright. I'm missing one of these.
That's good. It's just making it worse. It tastes stingy.
It
Ready?
tastes stingy? Tastes stingy?
Like,
I just want activator.
wait, clear glue right by you.
Mine's not even slimy.
right here, right there. I saw the flame. It's right there. It's right there.
Okay.
Is that all slime is? Glue and activator?
I think so.
Why is mine just basically all glue and no activator? If it's supposed to be slime. Did I not put enough activator? I thought I put a lot.
Now I know I need a ton of activator. At least have a bottle.
Googly eyes. Look at my slime. It's so cool. And it smells delicious.
I gotta say, it actually feels really good. She did a good job.
Wait. I think we have that kind of slime. We have the same color. And we don't have purple in here.
Riley,
What's she talking about?
He cheated.
did she cheat, guys? What?
While you were filming, she probably got that.
Oh.
Ooh, color changing glue. Ooh, blue to purple. There's a special technique for doing this. Every side over. You just told all of us that. And then you go like this. See? Perfect.
Yeah.
Wow! Yeah! Why do you have to do that, Dad? These are like the worst thing out of this. Why, Dad? You have to put in fuzzy sticks.
I don't.
Wait! This actually looks cool. This is my flag.
Last round.
Here we go.
If we can get Minnie down here, she just woke up from her nap. We will let her pick one thing on the table for you guys to put in your slime. Who wants to go first? Whatever she grabs, guys, is what you have to put in your slime.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What'd you get, Ty?
Glitter glue.
Oh, idiot. Get one for Kason.
No.
Yes. No, that's the one she grabbed. What did she get, Kason?
Metallic glue.
Let me see. Metallic glue for Kason. Good girl, Minnie.
Get one for Minnie.
Get one.
Get one. Get one. Get one. Get one. Minnie, get one, but in front. Yeah.
Good girl.
Why?
What did she give
She
you?
has to give me this.
What did she give you?
This.
What is it?
Glow in the dark.
We'll start with Kason's. Is that what slime's supposed to look like?
Nope.
I didn't think so.
Wait.
Alright, I don't think that's the winner either.
It's,
Oh, jeez. Alright, that's definitely not slime.
so did I lose?
Well, you didn't win. Let's check out Briley's.
Those are your clothes.
Briley's is still a lot of glue, but I'm definitely gonna have to say Briley is the winner.
I get a dump Kason slime on you.
I don't like that idea at all.
I very much do love that idea.
Alright, Crewnies, what do you guys think? Should I let her do Kason's slime on my head? Alright, I'm gonna let her do Kason's. This is going to be really messy.
Dad, this is already slime.
Oh gosh.
Second place.
I'm nervous. Why did I agree to this? Here we go. Here's the finale of the Mystery Wheel Slime. Mystery Wheel Slime. Here we go.
Is the glitter
Here's the
going
final
first?
challenge. Nope, yours first.
Actually, it's beautiful. You should do your hair like this always.
Oh man.
Oh, that one.
Ugh.
Wait, got Ooh, that's cool.
There we go.
It looks like a toupee.
Oh,
That is disgusting.
that's so cold.
I got too much slime on me, more than you, so I gotta wash my hands.
Uh-oh, Minnie. What happened? Oh my gosh, don't get any on you guys. Whew. That's cold.
I
Well, I don't need any more on the back.
think you do. Yeah, it's a little
Hey, watch out. Okay. Worst idea ever. Worst idea ever. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you check out our other slime challenge right here. Thanks for watching KJAR Crew. Whoop!